In the next 5 seconds, you can make a decision that will help you make thousands every month. Are you going to watch and find out how or do what most people do, complain and do nothing? If you're still here, let's begin that journey. And the kicker, it won't cost you a penny. Have you ever heard of crystal meaning cards? They're actively being sold on Etsy and other online stores, and there's people making a ton of money out of them. What's more, there's not a lot of competition, yet this is a very profitable niche, and if you search it up on Etsy, you'll find some of these cards are bought by hundreds of thousands of customers. So what if we showed you how to create and sell beautiful and unique crystal cards using AI tools? Take a few minutes out, and we'll show you how in this step-by-step guide. And the AI tools you're going to use are completely free of charge, so every dollar you make is profit in your pocket. Crystal meaning cards are cards that have images and meanings for different crystals and gemstones. People buy them for different purposes, such as healing, meditation, or simply decoration. So your target market consists of customers interested in spirituality, wellness, and alternative therapies. Remember this, because it's going to help you in later steps. First step, you need to search for crystal meaning cards on Etsy or Amazon, and then study the descriptions and designs of the top seller. You'll find most of them include 4 factors on their cards: name of the crystal, its meaning or properties, an image of the crystal, and lastly, an affirmation or positive statement. Once you've done your research, you'll need to go to ChatGPT or Google Bard and tell the free chatbot to provide you with a list of each crystal and their 4 factors. Most importantly, tell the chatbot to generate the results in tabular form. Next, you'll be creating the card design using a free AI image generator. There are 2 different ways to do this. The first method is to use a free AI art generator, like Night Cafe or Leonardo AI. In Night Cafe, when you log into a free account, you'll see a dashboard. Click on the Create button to start a new project, and then you can enter your text prompt. You'll want to generate images of crystal to make your cards look unique. Simply tell Night Cafe what kind of crystal you want, like amethyst, rose quartz, or citrine, and it'll generate an image for you. Play around with different prompt styles in order to make your cards stand out from the competition. After generating an image of a crystal, you'll need to remove its background so that it looks cleaner. To do that, just search for any online background remover. You can then download your image as a PNG file. Next step, go to Canva, which is also free to use. Here you can choose from hundreds of card templates, fonts, colors, and elements to customize your cards. In Canva, you can add the name of the crystal, the PNG image that you just generated, the crystal meaning, and the affirmation. Once you're done with the design layout, download it, and you're ready for the next step, bulk production. Staying in Canva from the side panel, select Apps and under More from Canva, select Bulk Create. Copy the tabular data you generated on ChatGPT or Bard and paste it here in the option that says Enter Data Manually. Connect your data to the elements on the card design like the text boxes. Click on Generate, and you'll have multiple different designs. The image of the crystal will stay the same, and you'll have to manually replace each of them, but that process takes no time. However, if you want an even quicker production method without using GPT, Night Cafe, and Canva, this next method is for you. For this, you'll need just one AI tool, DALL-E 3. It can be used on GPT-4, but if you don't have a subscription, no problem. It's also available free of charge on Bing Chat and Bing Image Creator. Using either of these options, write a detailed prompt including the card dimensions, background, font, and the words to use on the card. Whichever method you use, the end result will be amazing crystal cards that you can compile into a digital file and sell on Etsy or Amazon. You could even set up your own website using a free AI tool and sell them yourself without the fees of a third-party site. But if you want to sell physical prints of your crystal cards, you will have to spend some cash on card paper and printing. You may also want to laminate your cards to make them more durable and glossy. There are people making thousands out of this niche product. You could be one of them.